Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a video today with the homie, his Nismo 370Z Supercharged. He wanted to get a feel for this car. He wants to drive it, see what it's like, because this is also his dream car. See, he's right there, right behind me. So we're gonna get some clips of our cars together. He's gonna drive mine, I'm gonna drive his, and go from there. You want me to drive it now? Cool. Damn. First time in the Supercharged 370Z. Thank you, dude. Thanks for letting me drive it. I've driven a single turbo one, but I've never driven a Supercharged one, so let's see how this feels. I was on his for a minute.
Yeah.
As well.
Yeah.
It's very like.
Right. Oh yeah, I forgot the Evo's manual too.
Yeah, I think it grabs like crazy.
Yeah.
It's traction off.
Yeah. Between second and third for sure.
Okay. So like second gear, like
So go,
roll?
yeah. So like 40 roll. Imagine you're doing a 40 roll. Hit it, shift into third, and then you know you could go in third, and you'll feel it.
But fourth, on top of fourth is where you want to let off. You said.
Yeah, usually. I don't usually go top of fourth because then that's when you're going like 130. So you could just take it to top of third if you want. This builds boost really quick, so when you shift, you're in boost still, which is a good thing. Yeah. But it's definitely more like linear, Like when you look at my dyno graph, it's literally a straight line just going up.
All right, so now he's in my car. He's gonna drive mine.
Yeah.
It's his first time in the GTR.
Yeah, first time. So yeah, automatic.
Yep. Do you want to shift yourself with paddles?
Yeah, I can shift it myself.
All right. So now it's an amp. Yeah, and then I'll turn these on for you.
That's crazy. We're not even like moving that fast, and you can hear the turbos.
Feel some clunkiness,
yeah,
but it's definitely a heavy car, but it doesn't feel like it gets the power. Yeah, you can go to second gear and just punch it.
Right, go straight gear right here.
Yeah. Oh my God. So we just got back, went for a spin. He sold that he wants one now, and yeah, it's always been his dream car too. But this thing is so clean though. It's really sick. Carbon hood, carbon mirror caps, and black on carbon with the gunmetal gray. And these wheels are just so badass. But yeah, we'll probably wrap it up here. Just a quick video that me and the homie wanted to put together. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.